Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 8th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 1-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. Tectonic with 4 stars, and this one, the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 6562. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has well, how much? I believe I've not counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row, column. So the other 4 boxes should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1, 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes no, 4 O's we have here, so let's start ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. 4 O's we have here, so let's start ones. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Between two O's comes in 1, between two ones comes in O, between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 2 minutes. Well. Without comparing. But we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a 4-star tectonic. With until then, bye bye for now.